Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So I'm currently on the Palm Jumeirah and I'm heading to Alantara the Palm to go and meet my friend. And then we're heading to Aquaventure because they've just opened a whole new section. So we're gonna go and check it out. Let's go.
I love this hotel, honestly. No way. That is so nice.
It's not even in sports mode, right?
I'm excited.
That is insane. Welcome to the vlogs. Right, as you guys just saw, this is Rich. We're about to go and have a little look around Aquaventure. Let's go. Awesome. So apparently, even if you can swim, you have to wear a life jacket. It's quite relaxing not having to think about it though. Not having to swim. I like keep it. It's like saying, we're just going to have tans like this. It feels like riding up. Yeah, it's like, oh no, I've got a life jacket. It's like a snap that. I can literally stand up and I need a life jacket. I was a bit, I'm glad I've got a life jacket. We've just stopped for a little lunch break and I've got a chicken burger and fries. It's going well. So we've just finished our day at Aquaventure. Everyone's starting to leave. It's about 5 o'clock and we've had enough. So I'm going to go home and review the new rides. Let's have a look. And we're back. So I thought I'd go through some of the new things that we saw while we were at Aquaventure and sort of review them and give you my thoughts. So the big main new thing is Poseidon's Tower, which is basically the same sort of setup as the other two towers that are throughout the normal Aquaventure park. They've got about 6-7 slides that you can go straight down, which are quite cool. The one at the top is one where the floor drops away from you, so I will not be doing that one because that's very scary. They did have one where you go down on the rubber mats, which is one of my favourite types of slides, so that's definitely a winner because they don't have anything like that in Aquaventure at the moment. They also had 2 new big rubber ring rides where you have to have between 4 and 6 people. They're also really good. The new orange one is very good because you go up and down, up and down, up and down. It's not just a straight drop like the older tower. This tower does look quite cool because it's taking the architecture of the new residency building from the Atlantis 2 that they're building next door. But like I said, Poseidon's Tower is very similar to the other 2 towers that are throughout the park. And when it's just that one tower, there wasn't a huge amount for us to do. So currently Aquaventure are renovating the other 2 towers, which means there's not a lot to do. When all 3 towers are open, when when the park's fully back to normal, it's going to be incredible. Overall, Poseidon Tower, very good, but just not enough for that on its own to warrant a day out. Luckily, I had my annual pass, and this was actually the last time I went with my annual pass before it expires. There was also a new lazy river, quite cool, although you did have to wear a life jacket, like you saw earlier, but it's got quite a bit of pace to it. Like, the momentum keeps you going round, so you can just sort of float there and relax. That was a winner for us. I think we went on that about 6-7 times. There's also a section of beach, same as the other section of Aquaventure. I think the whole beach was open actually, so if you're into beaches, it's still open. Also, there's these new drop platforms, so basically you walk up to the edge and you just jump in the water. I think they start at 1.5 meters and they go all the way up to 3 meters, which doesn't sound that high, but when you're standing there looking down, it's a little bit scary. Like, you can see me panicking and not wanting to jump. Anyway, so yeah, overall, really good experience. Definitely be going back to Aquaventure, might renew my annual pass. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you the new Aquaventure, and I'll see you in the next episode for some more vlogging content. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.